Assalamualaikum. I will share you the data entry operator held on 4 October 2020. Current Chief Justice of Pakistan is Justice Gulzar Ahmed. First network is called ARPANET. Dead Sea is located between Israel and Jordan. First woman to fly in space, Valentina Tereshkova. Current Current Minister of Human Rights is Shri Mzari. Youngest person to receive Nishan-e-Hadar in Pakistan is Rashid Minhas. Program suppress large file to small file is WinZip program. MB stand for megabyte. Make hay while the sun shine. That is a proverb. Aslam is senior to me. That is a preposition. Senior के साथ to लगाना है. Yom Takbir celebrated on 28 May. Ronaldo is famous for football. Most powerful computer is supercomputer. Hypertext language is HTML. Sending same letter to multiple person is mail merge. When two people collaborate on an online document at the same time is by tracking. Which of following Excel feature allows user to evaluate formula and return a result is formulas. Key to used view slide show is F5. Police force was first developed by Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Anhu. Which area is famous in Pakistan for largest iron ore deposit is Kalabagh. Microsoft Office is a type of application software. Maharaja Ranjit Singh ruled Punjab for 40 years. Which is not major reason for email bounce. Domain server is down. First Pakistani Olympic game is inaugurated by Quaid-e-Azam. Difference between slide design and auto content wizard is in PowerPoint is auto content wizard is just wizard version of the slide. Hadappa in Punjab is south of Sahiwal, which is volatile memory RAM. Paint program keep track of every pixel placed on the screen. Binary system is connected of the value of 1 or 0. 6 in queue from every side consists of 11 members. When an Excel workbook is linked to Word document, the Word document contains a reference to original source application. 14 sajdas are obligatory for the Muslim while reciting Holy Quran. Angel appointed for food is Hazrat Mikail alayhi salam. ये नेक्स्ट का जवाब 7.56 है. पाकिस्तान फर्स्ट फॉरेन मिनिस्टर इज़ जोगिंदर नाथ मैंडल. When typing character search criteria, Excel matches field based on alphabetical order. Narration: He said to me, keep quiet and listen to me. He ordered me to keep quiet and listen his word. What fraction of cake after 3/8 of the cake have eaten? 1 negative 3/8, 8 negative 3/8, 5/8. Bronze is an alloy of tin and lead. NATO is a military alliance. Router is a news agency of England. Bit smallest memory unit of computer. इधर 1 9 25 49 85 आएगा दरमियान 121. In computer, half byte is known as nibble. Isala Rowan Viracon is the current Secretary General of SARC. Design template let you to create new presentation by selecting ready-made font color and graphics. Design template let you to create new presentation by selecting ready-made font color and graphics. Electron discovered by J.J. Thomson. Text both are deleted when you delete text box object from a slide in PowerPoint. PowerPoint is used in architecture design. A computer on the network is identified by IP एड्रेस, सॉरी मैंने पावर पॉइंट लिखा हुआ है। करंट स्पीकर ऑफ सिंध असेंबली इज़ आगा स्वराज दुरानी। विच कंट्री ऑन इक्वेटर इंडोनेशिया। लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज़ इंडस। नायगाज डैम है। नायगाज डैम इज़ लोकेटेड इन सिंध। विंडो इज़ नॉट ए सर्च इंजन। फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली ऑफ पाकिस्तान was held in 11 August 1947. Common method of internet access by user include all of these. In MS Excel 2016, zoom level of a page can be only 10% to 400%. Islamabad United won PSL 2018 and 2016. 2017 win by Peshawar Zalmi. 2019 क्वेटा ग्लैडिएटर एंड 2020 अभी चल रहा है। IP स्टैंड फॉर इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल। कराक्रम हाईवे स्टार्टेड फ्राम हसन अब्दाल टू काशगर। हाईवे इज आल्सो कॉल्ड N35 and it is 1300 kilometer. SDN is not used to access web. In MS Word ये कराक्रम हाईवे कनेक्ट करती है पाकिस्तान को चाइना के साथ खुंजराब पास के मुकाम पर। इन MS वर्ड डिलीट की डिलीट वर्ड फ्राम द राइट साइड ऑफ द कर्सर। सेकंड कंप्यूटर जनरेशन यूज्ड ट्रांजिस्टर। DUS cannot retrieve any data from a disk if computer virus corrupt its bad files. Another name for software public domain software. Another name for software is public domain software. In MS Excel, to create a formula, you can use both value and cell reference. ROM stand for read only memory. Roger Federer is a famous player of tennis. Isthmus is a narrow strip of land connecting two land masses. In MS Word 2016, to extend the selection to adjacent cell of the table, press arrow key repeatedly. Control plus R align the selected text to the screen, to the right side of the screen. Sorting is an arrangement of data in a logical sequence. Sorting is arrangement of data in a logical sequence. Putras Bukhari represented Pakistan at UNO as a permanent member, as a first permanent member. Silicon chip carries set out of instruction and process data accurately is RAM. Harare is the capital of Zimbabwe. Control plus G is shortcut to dialog box with activating go to tab. CPU is called brain of computer. Hiroshima and Nagasaki hit by a bomb in August 1945. Largest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. Majid said it may rain tomorrow. Majid told that it might rain tomorrow. That is a narration. AVG is not a function of Microsoft Excel. Ayat Kursi is a part of Surat Baqarah. Headquarters of the World Trade Organization is in Geneva and it was founded in 1995, I think. Docs file indicate the file is a Word document. DOCS or DOCX. That file indicate the file belong to a Word document. Spam is a unsolicited bulk email. बांगेदरा का फर्स्ट दबाचा किसने लिखा? शेख अब्दुल कादर जलानी ने। दरिया को कुज़ा में बंद करना। लार्ज स्टोरी इन ए शॉर्ट स्टोरी। कन्वर्टिंग द लार्ज स्टोरी इन ए शॉर्ट वर्ड्स। मिर्सिया बिलोंग टू विच लैंग्वेज? अरबी। राजा गीत नावल रिटन बाय बानो कुदसिया।